Welcome to TechTopiaX, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're looking for a compact desktop that can handle everyday work, streaming, multitasking, and even light content creation without taking up much desk space, the BOSGAME E5 Mini PC is definitely worth a closer look. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5300U processor, this mini computer packs 4 cores and 8 threads with boost speeds reaching up to 3.8 GHz, giving it the kind of performance that feels surprisingly responsive for such a small machine. It also features Radeon integrated graphics running up to 1,500 MHz, making it capable of handling media playback, office productivity, web browsing, and casual gaming with ease. So, is this product really worth buying? For many users, the answer is yes. The Ryzen 5300U is based on AMD's efficient Ryzen 5000 mobile architecture, which delivers a great balance between power and energy efficiency. Whether you're managing spreadsheets, attending online meetings, streaming 4K content, or running multiple browser tabs at once, this processor is designed to keep everything running smoothly. Community feedback from mini PC users also reports solid performance for general productivity, streaming, and daily computing tasks. What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? The 4-core, 8-thread CPU architecture allows the system to process multiple tasks simultaneously without slowing down. The included 8 GB DDR4 memory provides enough capacity for everyday workloads, while the 256 GB SSD delivers much faster boot times and application launches compared to traditional hard drives. The storage can also be expanded up to 4 TB, giving users flexibility for future upgrades. One of the most impressive features is its support for triple display output. With HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort, and USB-C video output, you can connect up to 3 4K displays running at 60 Hz. That means more screen space for productivity, multitasking, trading dashboards, coding projects, content creation, or simply keeping multiple applications visible at the same time. Why is this such a popular choice? A big reason is connectivity. The BOSGAME E5 includes dual Gigabit Ethernet ports, making it attractive for home offices, small business setups, networking applications, and even lightweight server projects. Alongside that, you get Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, 3 USB 3.2 ports, an additional USB 2.0 port, and a compact form factor that fits almost anywhere. Another advantage is efficiency. Unlike bulky traditional desktop towers, this mini PC consumes less power while still providing reliable performance for daily tasks. Users looking for a home office computer, media center PC, remote workstation, or student desktop can benefit from its balance of speed, size, and connectivity. According to recent market discussions, Ryzen 5300U-based mini PCs continue to be considered strong value options within the budget mini PC segment. When you combine the Ryzen 5300U processor, fast SSD storage, expandable capacity, triple 4K display support, dual LAN ports, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, and compact design, the BOSGAME E5 delivers a lot of capability in a surprisingly small package. It's a desktop built for productivity, entertainment, and everyday computing without demanding a large budget or a large workspace. Thanks for watching TechTopiaX. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.